In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a page in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates or guests to a specific page and set the right level of access for each person, so your workspace stays organized and secure. Start with the page you want to share open in Notion. You'll use the Share menu to control who can access it. Once you are in that menu, type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. These can be coworkers who are part of your workspace or external guests who just need access to this one page. Take a quick moment to double-check the spelling of each address. If someone is already part of your workspace, Notion will recognize them. If not, they'll be invited as a guest. Next, assign the appropriate permission level to each person before sending the invite. You'll see options like Full Access, Can Edit, Can Comment, and Can View. Full Access is the most powerful. This lets someone edit the content and also manage who else can access the page. Reserve this for trusted collaborators who need to control sharing and structure. Can Edit allows someone to change the content on the page, things like text, databases, and tasks, but does not give them control over sharing. This is a great choice for teammates actively contributing to the work but who don't need to manage permissions. Can Comment is perfect when you want feedback without risking accidental changes. Viewers can leave comments and suggestions right on the page, which is ideal for reviews and approvals. Can View is read-only access. Use this when someone simply needs to see the information, no edits. No comments, just a clean view of the page as it stands. Choose the level that matches each person's role and responsibility. And remember, you can always adjust it later. After you send the invitations, recipients will get a notification and can open the page with exactly the access you set. If priorities change, return to the Share menu at any time to move someone from Can View to Can Comment, or from Can Edit to Full Access, or to remove them entirely. A helpful rule of thumb is to start with the least access needed and increase it only if the person's role requires more control. That's all there is to it. Inside the Share menu, add the right email addresses and assign the right permission levels. With a few thoughtful choices, you'll keep collaboration smooth and your pages secure. Thanks for watching.